Imagine a world where stories come alive. In a world where distractions are endless, reading is a chore. Meet Litstage, a mixed reality game that brings literature to life. Play the literary piece and learn through interactive experiences. Explore the world of Moby Dick, learn the whaling industry, and uncover the spirit of the story. With more games coming soon, our goal is to put all of literature into fun, engaging experiences. And with our desktop version, educators can add their personal touch to make learning even more engaging. Join the journey. Learn more at Litstage.ai. Litstage, where stories come alive.